Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today we have a super special apartment to show you. It is a modern green building. It is a 3-bedroom unit. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So as you can see, this is a apartment turnkey, ready to go, super modern, super open apartment. You can listen. You can hear the birds. So, as I said, green apartment. You've got a super amazing green area here. And right here, we are actually beside the big lineal river park in La Frontera. So it's a really good location. As you can see, but just over there is Avenida Poblado. Let's take a look at this beauty. So, as you see here, again, this is brand new. I think it was built 3 or 4 years ago, but I don't think it's been lived in yet. It's a unit that the owners held on to. I don't think they ever moved in, and they just decided to sell. Again, very modern design, super open. Let's take a look at the rooms here. So as I said, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. It actually has a service quarters too. So this is what you would deem, I guess, the office space. Could also be a bedroom. But each bedroom, as you can see here, has their own washroom. Complete with a rain shower. But really nice workspace in an industrial style, as you can see here. And I can't get over how spacious this living area is. All right, so this would be the principal bedroom. Again, very, very spacious. And then, as you can see, a nice size walk-in closet here. And spacious bathroom also. Again, the great thing about this area here is it's in La Frontera, which is, it's actually the neighborhood is called El Diamante. I did a video on this neighborhood. Very popular area. But really, in this neighborhood here, they sandwich in San Lucas and Campestre and also La Frontera, which is the border of Envigado and Poblado. So plenty of space. Even a little dressing area right there for the ladies. And let's move on to the 3rd bedroom, but before we do, as you can see right here, we have the social washroom. And then right here is the 3rd bedroom. Again, very spacious. The newer builds are usually more spacious. I would definitely put this in the luxury apartment category. Super modern, super green. And they all come with rain showers. The other thing about this apartment is that it's all air conditioning. It's air conditioning, and they've hidden away the units for the most part. So there's aircon here. Space for the TV. And let's go take a look at the back of the apartment here. Again, really, really spacious area here. And I believe this comes with 3 parking spots and a storage unit. I will confirm. And as always, we put all the prices at the end screen. And the prices are in the local Colombian currency. I usually put the US prices too, but again, just for reference, because of currency fluctuations, always depends on the country you're in. The official price is in the official price of the denomination of the country. So let's go take a look at the back here. There's actually a service quarter. Just one last overview of the kitchen here, and then move on to the back. One of the great things about this apartment, really good light. Beautiful light in this apartment. So back here is the area for the laundry, as you can see. And then back here, they actually have a service quarters. So if you wanted a live-in housekeeper, that could be here, or this could be actually made into a pantry also. But they even have their own washroom back here. And a really nice shower. They've done a really beautiful job of this building and these units, very modern. Again, the laundry service area. And let's take one last look at this amazing space. Again, so you can see all the doors open to the outside here. This is definitely one of the modern Medellin dream apartments that everyone is looking to purchase when they come to Medellin. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And if you want more info on this, we'll put a link to the agency, Colombia Casa, which is representing this apartment here, down below in the comments or in the description. So this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we will see you in the next video.